Hello everyone. So here we are on the exercise 14E. Today we will finish exercise 14E and 14F, and this will be the end of your chapter. Now I'll read the question first for you from exercise 14E. This is also again a simple exercise. ABCD in which AB is equal to 5.8 cm and BC is equal to 4.2 cm. Angle A, angle B and angle C are given. Okay. So you have three angles and two sides. So you can consider any one side where you will find out two angles. Like we have A, B, C angles. Again, sides are A, B and B, C. So all the sides which are required to draw angles are given, right? So let's draw a rough construction first always. It's just a simple quadrilateral. If I consider A, B, C, D, which measurements I have AB as 5.8 centimeters. I have BC is equal to 4.2 centimeters. Okay, angle A is 70 degree. Angle B is 110, so it has to be obtuse one. Remember this. Always think about obtuse and acute angles. Angle B is 1 and angle C is 105. So this angle is also obtuse one, that is 105 degree. Okay, so you need to find out, you need to draw this quadrilateral. Now, how we should construct? We have two sides. First, take a base AB. From A to B, distance is 5.8 centimeters. Clear? AB is 5.8 centimeter. Angle A is given as 70. You know how to use the protractor, we have seen already. It has to be acute one. So this kind of 70 degree is wrong. It has to be the acute one. So it will be less than 90 degree. This is a ray of 70 degree. 70 degree ka ray bana liya. Now we have angle B also, that is 110. So it has to be obtuse one. This angle is 110 degree. We know the measurement of BC, that is 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeters. How we should calculate? Take a rounder. Take distance of 4.2 centimeter in your compass. Keep a pointer on B. 4.2 ka simply make a arc. Okay? From this point, now you have point C. From this point, you need to make angle of 105 degree. So angle of 105 will be obtuse angle, not the acute one. So it will be something like this. Okay, greater than 90 degree. See, I don't have scale and pencil, so I'm not so good in lines. But you should use scale and pencil. Okay, just extend this ray. Wherever this point will meet, this point will be point D. Okay, so karna kya basically? Take one side, draw the angles, draw the rays. You know the further distance. B se C tak ka distance aapko pata hai. Mark an arc. You know the angle C also, right? It should be. And then extend this. Wherever it will cut, that should be a point D. This is how you should construct the quadrilateral, where you have two angles, two sides, or more than two angles are given. Okay. So I hope this is easy for you. I'll go to the next exercise. There are many examples you can do because exercise is very easy. In the next exercise, see, up till this 14E, we have seen variations of quadrilaterals where there was no specific type of quadrilateral. It was generalized that you can draw. What if specific type of quadrilateral is given? That we will see in exercise 14F. Okay. So which quadrilaterals we have to draw today is square. Properties of square: all sides equal, angles 90 degree each, diagonals equal and perpendicular bisectors. About rectangles, all angles 90 degree, opposite sides equal, and diagonals are equal but not equal, and bisector is not perpendicular. Okay, what about parallelogram? Opposite sides, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles supplementary. Correct? What about rhombus? Yes, and the diagonals are bisectors, not perpendicular but bisectors only. Okay? Remember this. How about rhombus? All sides equal, all angles equal? No. Opposite angles equal, diagonals perpendicular bisectors, not only bisectors but perpendicular. That means they will bisect also and their angle will be 90 degree. At 90 degree they will bisect. Means अगर ये 3 है तो ये भी 3 होगा, ये 4 है तो ये भी 4. Total diagonal अगर 8 सेंटीमीटर का है तो 2 parts will be 4 4. Likewise, this is what about rhombus. Okay, so I just have revised the properties of all the quadrilaterals, and you need to always remember that these things will always help you. मैथ्स में यही है कि आपको पीछे की सब पढ़ी हुई चीजें याद होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज नो वन कैन हेल्प यू. Okay, so let's start with the exercise 14F. Construct a rectangle. Very first thing is rectangle. There are some easy examples that I'll take only one, remaining you can do. Like 8 examples are there, I'll take 2, remaining you can do. Okay? Construct a rectangle ABCD given. Now, the very first one. Rectangle we are constructing. Rectangle, all the angles 90 degree, opposite sides equal, diagonals equal. ठीक है? Now, diagonals की यहाँ पे जरूरत तो नहीं है, but still we need only opposite sides equal and all angles 90 degree. So rectangle में construction आएगा. ABCD is given. Suppose this is ABCD. What is given? AB is 6 centimeter and BC is 5 centimeter. So we have length, we have breadth, right? Opposite sides equal, so this is 6 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. Clear? Each angle 90 degree, and done. That's what our construction. Okay. So let's start with the base. AB as base, which is 6 centimeter. Take the distance of 6 centimeter in your scale. Mark 2 points AB, and the segment should be labeled properly. Now from here, draw angle of 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. You need to extend these rays. Okay. Another thing you know is 5 centimeter breadth. A to D and B to C distance is 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter distance in your compass. Mark an arc at 5 centimeter from here. 5 centimeter from here, and just join them. So this is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. A, B, C and D. This is 6 centimeter. Clear? Okay. Now, see. सिंपल कंस्ट्रक्शन है. इसमें आपने नोट किया क्या? प्रॉपर्टीज. अगर प्रॉपर्टीज लर्न है, याद है, यू कैन गो फॉर अ कंस्ट्रक्शन, अदरवाइज कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है? आई विल टेल यू अगेन. ए बी एक बेस था. टेक लेंथ एज 6 सेंटीमीटर. ड्रॉ 90 डिग्री एंगल्स. उनके रेज ड्रॉ करना है. टेक अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 5 सेंटीमीटर इन योर कंपास. मार्क आर्क्स ऑन दिस रेज एंड जॉइन दीज 2 पॉइंट्स. ठीक है? You can verify if your construction is correct or not. Measure these 2 angles. If they are 90 degree, your answer is correct. If this distance is 6 centimeter, your answer is correct. Okay. So yes, all the 7 examples you can do. I will take the 8th one for you because 8th में एक चीज आपको solve करनी पड़ेगी. Then only you can solve this example. In the section of rectangle. take the question number 8 for you. Read the question. What is given? It is given that the sides of rectangle are in the ratio. Sides are given in the ratio 2:3. Okay? And the perimeter is given 20 centimeter and you have to draw rectangle. To draw a rectangle, आपको क्या चाहिए? We need length and breadth. Angles हमें पता है. We need at least length, breadth or relation between length and breadth. We have that relation. Okay? So let the common multiple be ये क्यों किया? Because sides are in ratio. They are not the actual sides, but they are in ratio. So there has to be some multiple which can be used to find out the sides. So sides, length and breadth we can consider. Or the sides are 2x and 3x. ठीक है? What we know is perimeter. Perimeter. See, which one will be length and which one will be breadth? If there is some number to which you are multiplying by 3 and multiplying by 2, कौन सा number, कौन सा आंसर बड़ा होगा? 3x will be the greater answer, right? So this will be your length and this will be your breadth. And it hardly matters actually because दोनों को आप formula में substitute करना है. So what is the perimeter of rectangle? Perimeter is equal to 2 in bracket L plus B. Length plus B, यही है ना formula? So 2 in bracket 2x plus 3x. करो 5x into 2 is 10x. 10x is what? Your perimeter. You need to find out value of p. So value of x. You have perimeter is equal to 20 centimeter. So if p is equal to 10x, which is equal to 20 centimeters, find the value of x. X is equal to 20 by 10. X is equal to 2. Correct? You got the value of x. Therefore, sides of rectangle are 2x, that is 2 into 4, and 3x is equal to 3 into 2 is 6. Answers in centimeter because dimensions given are in centimeter. Now you have length and breadth. Just do the construction. How you can do it? Just note down these things. Okay, I'll just draw a rough construction for you. Here, okay, I'll just erase the board for you. And we'll draw a rectangle where 6 centimeter is your length, 4 centimeter is your breadth. Okay, what you should do? Now name was not given, you can give your own names. अगर नाम नहीं दिया है आप अपने लेबलिंग कर सकते हो, बट यू हैव टू लेबल रेक्टेंगल और द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑलवेज. PQ 6 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, 90 डिग्री एंगल्स के 2 रेज. देन टेक अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 4 सेंटीमीटर के कंपास. कीप द पॉइंट ऑन P. आर्क अगेन द सेम प्रोसीजर. जॉइन देम. Done. Okay. So this was about the rectangle. Now we will see how to draw a square. Construct a square. Second type of quadrilateral we are going to see is square. What are the properties of square? All the sides are equal, all the angles are 90 degree. Clear? So question number, this is the section of square. In that, I'll take first one for you. Of side 4.5 centimeters. ठीक है? Now side is given 4.5 centimeter. For a square All the sides are equal, so it is 4.5, 4.5, 4.5 and 4.5. That's it. If it is ABCD, name is given, right. So first step is AB, it is 4.5 centimeter. Now angles are 90 degree each, 90 degree. ठीक है. Now A to D distance is 4.5, B to C distance is 4.5. Mark arcs, label them, join it, and your square is ready. Simple? Good. So next one I'll take as fourth. जैसे रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ किया था वैसे ही है. It just यहाँ पे sides equal है, तो only one side will be given. Question number 4. Here only diagonal is given. Diagonal, one diagonal is given, and the measurement is 7 centimeter. We have just discussed the properties of square, rectangle, all the quadrilaterals. In a square, all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal, each of 90 degree. Both the diagonals are equal and they are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Right? Perpendicular bisector means एक diagonal अगर 8 सेंटीमीटर है तो दोनों साइड 4 सेंटीमीटर. ये 7 है तो दोनों साइड 3.5. ओके. Diagonals are equal. एक diagonal 7 है तो दूसरा कितना होगा? 7 only. Right? So if this is a square and if one diagonal is 7 centimeter, another is also 7 centimeter, and angle over here is 90 degree. This section is equal, this section is equal, each of 3.5. तो इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन कैसे करेंगे? If it is A, B, C, D. Now जब भी आपको क्वाड्रिलेटरल में डायगोनल दिया जाता है, you can consider diagonal as base. ठीक है? Apart from exercise A, B जिसमें हमने देखा था, when angles were also given, that was a different case. But for square, if the diagonal is given, take it as a base. Base as AC, which is 7 centimeters. Okay, see now. दूसरा जो डायगोनल होगा वो भी 7 सेंटीमीटर का होगा. Somewhere at the middle. वो इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर होगा. परपेंडिकुलर होगा मतलब यहाँ पे 90 डिग्री एंगल बनेगा एंड इसका एग्जैक्टली मिड पॉइंट होगा. ना हाउ टू फाइंड आउट मिड पॉइंट? बाय बाइसेक्टिंग दिस सेगमेंट. तो बाइसेक्ट कैसे करना है? कीप अ पॉइंटर, टेक अ डिस्टेंस, एक रैंडम डिस्टेंस ले लो, मोर देन हाफ डिस्टेंस इन योर कंपास फ्रॉम A to C. सपोज कंपास इज योर हियर, टेक मोर देन हाफ डिस्टेंस इज योर कंपास. Mark an arc and up and down from point A. Follow the same process. You do not change the distance now. Keep the pointer on C. Mark arcs. Join them. And this will be your midpoint. ठीक है? Now this is bisected. अब ये bisect हो गया. So this is 3.5 and 3.5 centimeter. This is a midpoint of this rectangle. Square. Let's consider this O. तो O midpoint मिल गया. दो पॉइंट तो है. What about B and D? ये कैसे मिलेंगे? What is the length of another diagonal? 7 centimeter. अगर एक diagonal दूसरे को bisect करता है, तो ये भी तो इसको bisect करता है, right? If this is first diagonal, this is second one. अगर ये, if this diagonal is bisecting this one, this will also bisect this one, correct? So यहाँ पे भी 7 के दो equal parts बनेंगे. 3.5 ऊपर, 3.5 नीचे. Again, take the same distance in your compass. Same distance मतलब स्केल से मेजर करो या फिर इतना डिस्टेंस ले लो. Now the pointer on O. Mark arc of 3.5 over here. Keep the pointer on O. Again, mark arc of 3.5 centimeter here. And now these are your points. Join them. And you will get your square. ठीक है? A, B, C and D. Okay? Just do it. You can pause the video. You can again watch it if you are not sure. Step wise construction करो. साथ करो तो आपको confusion नहीं होगा. Okay. Now we are done with the rectangle and square. Now I'll go for next one. See, I'll take first rhombus and then we will go for parallelogram. ठीक है? Rhombus में क्या है? If there are again two types. If angle is given and diagonals are given. अगर rhombus में diagonal दिया है, for example, fourth portion देखो rhombus का fourth portion. In that, I'll take 10th one, or okay, I'll take 8th one. In 8th example, given that AC is equal to 6 centimeter, BD is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so what is given? Two diagonals are given. Whenever in rhombus also diagonals are given, properties of rhombus again I'm repeating. Sides equal, opposite angles equal, adjacent angles supplementary. Diagonals are not equal, but they are perpendicular bisectors of each other. इतना फिक्स है, दोनों equal नहीं है, but bisectors है. What does it mean? That means if one diagonal is BD, which is 7 centimeter, another diagonal is AC. Total length is 6 centimeter. The angle between them is 90 degree and is 6 cm. Here it will be 3, here it will be 3. If this is 7, this is 3.5, 3.5. This is the meaning. ठीक है, ये मीनिंग है परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर का, बट दे आर नॉट इक्वल. डायगोनल्स इक्वल नहीं है, बस परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर है. तो अपने पास दोनों डायगोनल्स है. You need to follow the same procedure as square. Okay, so I'll just draw the rough sketch for this. We have these diagonals. BD, AC, 6, 7 centimeter. Back side. Take a base equal to 7 centimeter. That is B. D 7 centimeters. Then AC. For finding AC, we need to bisect this segment. इसे bisect कैसे करेंगे? We need to draw perpendicular bisector for this. Perpendicular bisector के लिए take more than half distance in compass. Mark an arc. Here, mark an arc. Then simply join this. Is it correct? No. आपको क्या चाहिए? दूसरा डायगोनल मिला है? No. We just got perpendicular. This B, D was there. You just got a line segment which is perpendicular to this BD. This angle is 90 degree. But how about another point A and C? Distance कितना होना चाहिए? 3, 3, right? Keep a pointer here. Take a distance of 3 centimeter in your compass from scale. Mark an arc at 3 centimeter here and 3 centimeter at the bottom. So this is 3 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. These are your points. Join them and you will get your rhombus. Correct? So this is a construction of rhombus when two diagonals are given. ठीक है? Now we will see construction of parallelogram first, and then again when the rhombus, when angles are given. ठीक है? Easy है. Just step by step जाओ and do the construction of same types of quadrilateral simultaneously. Okay, let's see the construction of parallelogram. When yes, sides and angle is given. Okay. Now construct a parallelogram where AB is equal to 6.5, BC is equal to 5.2 and angle B is 45 degree. Here I'll change it as parallelogram. First one is AB equal to 6.5 centimeters, BC equal to 5.8 centimeters and angle B equal to 45 degree. Always write down given data, draw a rough sketch and then your final construction. Now we have parallelogram. You know how parallelogram looks like? Okay. So if this is A, B, C, D, A, B and this we have A, B, C, D. Angle B. Okay. So as per the diagram, parallelogram should look like this. कैसे समझ आया? Because angle B क्या है? एंगल बी इज एक्यूट. तो अगर ये एक्यूट है तो उसका दूसरा जो एंगल है वो क्या आना चाहिए? एडजेसेंट एंगल सप्लीमेंट्री. ये आना चाहिए. क्या आना चाहिए? ऑब्ट्यूस आना चाहिए. ये एक्यूट है तो ये ऑब्ट्यूस आना चाहिए. इफ दिस इज 45 डिग्री, व्हाट शुड बी द मेजरमेंट ऑफ दिस एंगल? दोनों का मिलकर एडिशन कितना है? 180. तो अगर ये 45 है तो ये कितना आना चाहिए? इज इट 135? कैलकुलेट करके देखो. So AB distance is 6.5 centimeter. Then BC is 5.8. And yes, we have this angle as 45 degree. So we have two sides of parallelogram. If this is 6.5, this is also 6.5. If this is 5.8, this is also 5.8. Correct? In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Adjacent angles supplementary. Opposite angles equal. Clear? Let's start. Draw a base AB equal to 6.5 centimeters. Okay? Then angle B, you know, that is 45 degree. Draw a ray of 45 degree over here. Okay? You know measurement of this angle, that is 135 degree. Draw a ray 135 डिग्री. ये कैसे आया? सप्लीमेंट्री है. दोनों का एडिशन कितना होना चाहिए? एंगल A प्लस एंगल B होना चाहिए 180. रीजन एडजेसेंट एंगल्स ऑफ पैरेलल और सप्लीमेंट्री. B है 45. A का कैलकुलेशन करो. Okay. So now you know the distance of BC. This is C and this is B. It is 5.8. So from B, take a distance of 5.8 centimeter in your compass. Draw an arc. You will get point C. C मिला वैसे D भी मिलेगा. A to D is also same distance. That is 5.8. Here also it is 5.8 centimeters. Now just join them, and you will get your parallelogram. Clear? Check the construction. Okay, then question number 1, 2 and 3 they are similar, but question number 4, 5 and 6 they are just like जैसे अभी मैंने डायगोनल्स का ड्रॉ किया. एंड इवन फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज सेकेंड एक्सरसाइज में हमने देखा था व्हेन द डायगोनल्स आर गिवन हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल. आपको उसी मेथड से ड्रॉ करना है. ठीक है? यू कैन टेक ऑलवेज हेल्प फ्रॉम योर सॉल्ड एग्जाम्पल. सॉल्ड एग्जाम्पल्स में दिया हुआ है विथ स्टेप्स दिया है. फॉलो इट. अगर उसके एंड ऑल्सो रेफर योर प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइजेस. ठीक है? सो वी विल नाउ गो फॉर अ रोम्बस अगेन व्हेन अ साइड एंड एंगल इज गिवन. ठीक है? अब रोम्बस और पैरेललोग्राम में क्या फर्क है? रोम्बस हैज ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल. पैरेललोग्राम में क्या? दो अलग अलग साइड के अपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल है. राइट? तो रोम्बस का और पैरेललोग्राम का मेथड सेम है, बट स्टिल आई टेक फर्स्ट वन फ्रॉम रोम्बस. एक वे है रोम्बस में भी डायगोनल दिया है तो ड्रॉ डायगोनल्स फर्स्ट, कंस्ट्रक्शन करो डायगोनल्स का। अगर साइड एंड एंगल दिया है देन पैरेललोग्राम के जैसे, सो रोम्बस कैन बी ड्रॉन इन टू वेज। अगर एंगल एंड साइड दिया है पैरेललोग्राम जैसे कंस्ट्रक्शन करो, अगर डायगोनल दिया है तो स्क्वायर जैसे कंस्ट्रक्शन करो। रीजन इज डायगोनल्स आर परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स, नॉट इक्वल बट परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर्स। स्क्वायर के डायगोनल इक्वल होते हैं। रोम्बस का फर्स्ट है AB is equal to 6 centimeter and angle A is equal to 50 degree. ठीक है? Now in a rhombus all the sides are equal. A, B, C, D. 6 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 6 and 6. Angle A is 50 degree. Acute. Easy. Make a base AB equal to 6 centimeter. Draw angle A as 50 degree. If this angle is 50 degree, what should be the measurement of B? Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. AE है 50. Addition 180. What is the measurement of angle B? Isn't it 130? हाँ? B measurement है. B का measurement है 130. So this will be 120 degree. Here, array 130 degree. Correct? Now you know all the sides are equal. So BC, AD, they are also 6 centimeter. So take a distance of 6 centimeter in your compass. Draw an arc here. Draw an arc here, and join them. You will get your rhombus. Correct? Verify कैसे करेंगे? Check out if this angle and this angle matches, this angle and this angle matches, all the sides are of same dimension. That is how you should verify. Check out the example from board. Okay, the one more we will take of trapezium. ट्रेपेजियम में आपको 10 एग्जाम्पल्स है. आउट ऑफ दैट आई टेक ओनली वन पार्ट वेयर साइड्स आर गिवन. एंगल्स वाला टेक्स्ट बुक में आपको सॉल्ड एग्जाम्पल में भी नहीं दिया है, एंड इट इज इजी एक्चुअली. इफ यू वांट यू कैन ट्राई, बट आई एम नॉट टेकिंग इट. यू कैन डू इफ एट योर ओन इफ यू वांट टू, अदरवाइज आई एम नॉट टेकिंग इट. ट्रेपेजियम ड्रॉ करते हैं. व्हाट इज इन बाय ट्रेपेजियम? whose two sides are parallel, right? In trapezium, two sides are parallel and two non-parallel sides are there, you know? Correct? So first we will draw PQ is equal to 7 centimeters. QR is equal to 4.5 centimeters. RS is equal to 3.5 centimeters. And SP is equal to 4 centimeters. All the four sides are given. And you know which sides are parallel. That is PQRS, in which PQ parallel to RS. So there is a rough construction of PQRS. PQ दिया है 7 centimeters. QR is 4.5 centimeters. RS is 3.5 centimeter and SP is 4 centimeter. This is given. Okay, but draw करने के लिए अपने पास कोई एंगल नहीं है. How we can draw? For that there is one more step we should follow. RQ. If I have a parallel line with this RQ, won't be a parallelogram, है ना? मैंने अगर यहाँ पे ड्रॉ की पैरेलल लाइन, टोटल इज 7 सेंटीमीटर, एंड लेट्स टेक पॉइंट T. ठीक है, तो ये पैरेललोग्राम हो जाएगा. सो दिस साइड विल बी 4.5 ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल. ठीक है, टोटल इज 7. दिस TQ पैरेलल SR पैरेललोग्राम में अपोजिट साइड इक्वल है, so this will be 3.5 again, and the PT side will be 2.5. Clear? ये क्यों किया हमने? Because we don't have any of the angle or the point on opposite side है ही नहीं अपने पास. To get that point we have done this. Okay. Now what we have is this. कंस्ट्रक्शन करने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? टेक अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 7 सेंटीमीटर हियर. That is PQ 7 centimeter. Okay. Now at a distance of 2.5 centimeter, point को ये मार्क करो. This point is T 2.5. पहले हम क्या करेंगे? ट्रायंगल को कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे एंड देन पैरेललोग्राम दोनों को कंबाइन करोगे, यू विल गेट ट्रेपेजियम. अभी ट्रायंगल कंस्ट्रक्ट करने के लिए हमें 3 साइड है. एक साइड है 2.5. देन फ्रॉम P पॉइंट S इज एट 4 सेंटीमीटर. तो करो यहाँ से ड्रॉ आर्क 4 सेंटीमीटर पे. फ्रॉम पॉइंट T S इज एट 4.5. सो अगेन ड्रॉ T से 4.5 डिस्टेंस, P से 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी हैव दिस पॉइंट S नाउ एंड ओके पॉइंट S मिल गया. नाउ S टू R डिस्टेंस इज 3.5. सो S टू R क्या करना है? डिस्टेंस 3.5 सेंटीमीटर लेना. ड्रॉ एंड R. ये R पे R पॉइंट कहीं पे भी हो सकता है, बट कहाँ होगा? फ्रॉम 4 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम Q. Q से R तक 4.5 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस लो एंड जस्ट join them. You got the location of R. Okay, I'm little bit. I don't have scale and pencil, so मेरा थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है, बट आपको स्केल पेंसिल से एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट मिल जाएगा. ठीक है. सो दिस इज योर पॉइंट R. 3.5 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस. दिस इज 4.5 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ अ ट्रेपेजियम. आई जस्ट हैव टेकन फ्रॉम साइड्स. एंगल्स का मैंने नहीं लिया है, बट अगर आप चाहते हो तो आप कर सकते हो. सो वी हैव डन विथ कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑल्सो. We have done with time and work chapter also. Okay. Bye everyone.